Hello students, and welcome to your tutorial on Melody in G Major by Czerny. I'm going to go ahead and scooch this music so you can see it better. And I'm going to play the song all the way through so that you can hear the final product. And then I will size it a little bit better for when we're going through it line by line. Okay, so notice this song does have 2 repeats, so I will be observing those repeats, and here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So a couple of things that I observe in that song that are challenging. The constant movement at a relatively high tempo with jumps in the left hand. So what we're going for in this song is a very light, balanced performance where the melody is singing out while the left hand is playing these broken chords. Some nice varied dynamics throughout, observing the phrasing in the melody, but seamlessly making these jumps and these different broken chord shapes in the left hand as well. So all in all, it comes off as very light and easy, but there is a fair amount going on. So let's go ahead and dig in. So what I notice about this song, first off, is that it is in 6/8, and it has 1 sharp, which is F sharp. So that's something you'll need to observe. But we're just going to now walk through line by line. So we start the song with our right hand third finger on B, and because the 8th note equals the beat, our quarter note is now 2 counts. So we would be playing 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then the dotted quarter note, which would be 3/8 notes, is 3 full beats. 1, 2, 3. All right, so let's go ahead and try tapping the first line. So left hand, let's go a little slower. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, together, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, together, left, left. 1, 2, 3, together, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, together, left, left. All right, getting the hang of that. All right, so now we'll go back to the right hand, and we've got a B. We're going to just kind of out of time. B going down, A, G to A. Then 4th finger already in position. C, B, A, B. All right, so the right hand's very straightforward there, but we're still going to call out the note names before we play it. I want to make sure that you students can identify these notes just with your eyes and your voice before you start relying on finger numbers or interval distances or directions up and down, okay? 1, 2, 3, here we speak. B, 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 A, G, A, play that right hand. 1, 2, 3, here we go. B, 2, 3, hold, 2, 3. Hold, 2, 3. All right, very good. Now let's look at the left hand. Our left hand starts with the 5th finger on G, and we start out 5, 3, 1, basically spelling out a G chord, G, B, D. But then our pinky moves down to F, remember, sharp, up to 2nd on C, D, F sharp, C, D. Now we've got F sharp to 3rd finger on A with the D, F sharp to 3rd finger on A with a D, and now we're back to our G chord. Okay, so we need to watch those shapes. So let's speak the notes of the left hand and just mime it with our hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, G, B, D, G, B, D, F sharp, C, D, F sharp, C, D, F sharp, A, D, F sharp, A, D, G, B, D, G, B, D. All right, now let's play the left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. G, B, D, 4, 5. Stretch, F sharp, C. 3rd finger is going to play this time F sharp, A, D. Now back to our G chord. Very good. All right, let's pull the right hand back in. Again, I'm going to play this line hands together, but you may want to just play one hand while you're hearing the other. And then you can play both hands when you've gotten all of your repetitions in. We need to build the muscle memory in each hand before we can count on them to perform together, because your brain can only split so much in 2 directions, right? We need our body to help us out. 1, 2, 3, here we go. Left hand, good. Here comes the 3 on A. Back to the G chord. All right, and I'm kind of emphasizing the moments when we are starting one of the groups of 3. We won't really want to do that once we're performing the song. We want to even that out a bit, but it can be helpful at this stage. Okay, moving on to the next line. So now our right hand is still in the same position, but we're going to start with our pinky on this D, 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 C, B, A, B, C. So far, so good. B, C, B, A, B, A, G, 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 G. And you'll notice they ask us to switch the finger on the G, which is a technique just to help with the sound being more connected. So we're going to observe that, all right? So let's call out the letters. 1, 2, 3, here we go. D, 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 C, B, A, B, C, 2, 3, B, C, B, A, B, A, G, 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 G. Let's play it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. D, 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 C, B, A, B, C, 2, 3, B, C, B, A, B, A, G, 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 2, 3. All right, nice. Let's look at the left hand. All right, left hand line 2, starting on the same G chord, G, B, D, G, B, D, and this is our first real tricky leap down to a C, 5 to 3 on E to A. Now to our 5 to D, G, B, 5 to D, here comes your F sharp, and then back to our G chord. All right. So now let's speak those notes, and then we're going to play it in time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. G, B, D, G, B, D, C, E, A, C, E, A, D, F. Now let's speak those notes. G, B, D, G, B, D, C, E, A, C, E, A, D, F, B. I keep saying F. Here we go. G, B, D, G, B, D, C, E, A, C, E, A, D, G, B, D, F sharp, C, G, B, D, G, B, D. All right, make sure that you can speak that so that you are aware of the names of the notes before you're relying on your finger numbers to find them. Okay, now we're going to play. Left hand, second line, here we go. G, B, D, G, B, D, C, A, C, E, A, D, G, B, D, F sharp. All right, let's put those two hands together for the second line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we go. Don't forget your sharp. All right, and then we would repeat that section. So let's play everything we've learned so far. 1, 2, 3, here we go. Okay, moving on to the third line. So our hand is already in position. We have our right hand second finger on an A, and we're going to play the A, to fifth finger on, D, another D, down a fourth to the A, and here's our B, G, B, up to D again, okay? So fairly simple intervals on that one. Let's call out our note names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A, B, G, B, D, 2, 3. D, A, B, G, B, D, 2, 3. And now let's play it. 1, 2, 3, here we go. A, B, G, B, D, 2. D, A, B, G, B, D, 2. Very good. All right, let's see what our left hand is doing. So our left hand just ended with another G chord. So we're close. We need to put that left hand pinky down again on the F sharp. And we're going to play up to a C and D, F sharp, C and D. Back to our G chord. A repeat of what we started with this line, F sharp, C, D, F sharp, C, D, and then our G chord again. All right, so that's pretty straightforward. Let's call through those letters again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. F sharp, C, D, F sharp, C, D, G, B, D, G, B, D, F sharp, C, D, F sharp, C, D, G, B, D, G, B, D. Let's play it. 1, 2, 3, here we go. F sharp, G chord, here it comes, F sharp, G chord. All right, make sure you get your repetitions in and then join me, hands together. And one way to get those repetitions is to play along with me, but with just one hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, last line. Pinky is on the D. Let's see what happens. D, D, D's coming down, C, B, A, back up to B, C, B, D, B, A, C, A, G, 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 G. So we have some thirds, we have some movement up and down, but it's manageable. All right, let's call out those letter names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. D, 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 C, B, A, B, C, 2, 3. B, D, B, A, C, A, G, 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 G. And let's play it. Ooh, almost didn't catch this in time. Need to scroll up. 1, 2, 3, right hand, go. All right, so now our left hand was left off with the G chord, and now we have a big leap down to a B. So let's follow this through out of time. B, D, G, same notes as our G chord, but in a different order. B, D, G, C, E, A, C, E, A, D, G, B, D, F sharp, C, G chord. All right, I was just pausing to decide the fingering on this one. I would say 5-2 to the G, and then 5-3 to the F sharp. All right, let's call out these notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. B, D, G, B, D, G, C, E, A, C, E, A, D, G, B, D, F sharp, C, G, B, D, G, and B together. All right, let's play it. 1, 2, 3, here we go. Let's put those hands together for our last line. 1, 2, 3, here we go. I'm going to play the second half of the song since we would have had a repeat anyway. From line 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Move. All right, there you have it. So I think what I'll do is play it one more time on the big piano all the way through with the repeats at this medium tempo, and then at the beginning of the song you have the faster tempo as well. One, two, three, four, five, six.